Hello all, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's see about the recruitment process for Infosys company. It is for freshers and this is for the position systems engineer with the package of 3.5 lakhs per annum. Here we'll be seeing about how to apply for the job, what are the eligibility criteria and what are the mandatory documents required, and finally the interview rounds. So we'll be seeing in detail about each rounds. Let's start. First, let's see how to apply for the job. For on-campus interviews, you can check with your college for links. For off-campus interviews, please refer online for registration links. There are many websites available. Just search as Infosys Off-Campus Interview 2021. You will get many links. And finally, you can apply through Infosys official website itself. So go to Google and search for Infosys official website and search for careers there. Then you can register and apply for the jobs. Now let's see what are the conditions should be satisfied to attend interview with Infosys, which is nothing but the eligibility criteria for the job. BE, BTech or ME, MTech graduates. Also MSc or M candidates can apply. Since it is for freshers, 2019, 20 and 21 batches graduates can apply. Academic criteria, 60% in 10th, 12th and also graduation is mandatory. And then candidates should not have appeared for Infosys interview in last 6 months. So for last 6 months, you should not have appeared for any Infosys interviews. And there should not be any active backlogs for you. So these are the conditions which you should satisfy to attend this interview. Mandatory documents required. First thing, you should keep your resume as updated one. Include all the technologies, skills and what is the project you have done. Everything include it in the resume and keep it as updated. Then keep one ID proof ready. Mostly they will ask for Aadhaar card. Any other government proofs also you can have, but the thing is name in that proof should be correct. Better take one proof which is having your name correct, your father's name and address. Everything should be correct in that. Academic certificates. For 2021 batch, you might not have got all these certificates. So what you can do means up to now whatever certificates you have got, you can keep that ready. For the remaining things, you might have got the marks from your college. Calculate CGPA and keep it everything like properly by yourself. Keep everything ready. Then passport size photographs. Coming to interview rounds, there will be 3 rounds: online test, technical interview and HR interview. Sometimes this technical interview and HR interview can take place at the same time. They can combine and keep it at once. But the online test, it will be like first round to clear. So here you need a good laptop mainly because everything now virtually only they are conducting. So better keep on laptop ready. It should have web camera also and mic should be proper because everything you can expect virtually only due to this COVID situation. Okay, now let's see more about round 1, which is online test. The total duration of the test is 100 minutes. And the sections, whatever you can expect here is reasoning ability, technical ability, verbal ability, pseudocode, numerical puzzles. So mostly there will be 5 sections. The number of questions and time allocated for each sections I have included that. You can refer this. This is just to give you overall idea about this test. You cannot expect exactly the same number of questions you will get in your exam. This is just based on the previous question papers and sample papers, whatever I have referred. To prepare for this each sections, you can refer online for prepinsta.com and freshersnow.com. So these 2 websites mostly they have included good collection of sample papers. You can refer here. Also let me know if you want more questions and like how to prepare for sample questions. If you want to know more, please let me know. I will try to upload it as a separate video for each sections. once you have cleared the round 1, which is online test, you are almost into the job. So the next round will be technical interview. Here what you can expect is most of the questions will be based on your skills only. That too, whatever you have mentioned in your resume, because they don't know you, they will have just your resume, right? So based on skills you have mentioned in that only, they can ask. So better include whatever things you know very well in resume. Never include if some things you have doubt or you don't know zero, like you don't know anything about that skill, means never include that. Like you will get caught easily. So don't do that mistake. Why I'm telling repeatedly means sometimes like people will include just to showcase whatever skills who is going to ask, like that they may think and just include. So never do this mistake. Example skill whatever you can mention means C, C++, Java, Python, whatever you know, even HTML also you can include. That can be very small thing, but that thing you should know. Next one, prepare for some basic questions. Whatever skills you have mentioned, just prepare for very basic questions. They will not ask you very deeply. If you are from that, even if you are from other departments, means other than CSR IT, you can prepare for some questions related to your field. Once technical interview is clear, now you need to appear for a HR interview. That is nothing but a personal interview. So here, first they will test your communication skill. How they will test means you might not know what is happening even, but that is also a part of interview only. They may ask you like some silly questions like what you ate today, what movie you watched recently. That all things are just to test your communication, how you are speaking, how is your confidence level. Like that, with your voice itself they will identify easily. So that is also a part of interview only. Next thing, they may ask you to introduce yourself or tell me about yourself. Then read about this Infosys company, because not only for Infosys I'm telling, for all the interviews, like whatever you are attending, for that company whatever you can collect like details, better read online and prepare for that. Then prepare for basic HR interview questions. So for this I have included already one separate video. You can refer that. I will give you link in the description box. You can refer that. Okay viewers, I hope you got some knowledge about the recruitment process for Infosys. Please subscribe and support us for more videos like this. Thank you.